You've been singing Let It Go all day long, and it's really annoying.
Yes, it is the world's most annoying song we have ever heard in history.
That's it, Elsa. You are grounded forever. Go back to your castle and stay in there forever.
And she is! Don't let her get away!
Elsa, get over here right now.
Is there a problem, Christopher?
There has been an unusual big blizzard in this town in the middle of August. Did you do this?
Oh heck no. I will not tell.
You better tell us the truth, or you're grounded even more.
Okay, I did it. I caused a big blizzard with my strong magic.
You are the worst sister I've ever had.